Right, we're getting somewhere now. Better check to see if Jamie's on fire there. Little abandoned farm. Nice spot. Let's have a look inside. Cool little oven. I don't know if that chimney's up to much though. There's no one there. There's our camping spot. Just go tackle the river now. I slipped in straight away. There's no point trying to stay dry now. Right, we've chosen our spot. Absolutely lovely little grove. I brought the lavvu super shelter, and in order to pitch it I'm going to need a bit of straight wood, so I'm looking for some hazel. I need 2 A-frames either side and something to tie the tarp off to at the front. Let's see if we can find this. Looks like there's a bit of hazel up there. So that's the perfect sort of stuff, nice and straight. I don't need too much of it. 4 lovely straight bits of hazel. You'll have to forgive the candid camera today, I forgot my tripod. It's going to be action cam style. That's where we've got so far. 2 bits of canvas. I don't know if they're a bit far apart. And he's going with the tarp and bivvy. Right, we're getting somewhere now. Tarp over the top. I'll have a massive shelter. A couple of homemade pegs. And I think we're there. But what's this pipe? Hot tent stove is coming in there now. I've practically moved in. Big old mushroom. A view from the tent. It's massive in here. I found a bit of solid oak. It's come off this big tree. I'm only going to need a couple of bits of this. This will keep the stove going all night. Whew. Can see why it's so hard to cut through. Look at how many years are on that. Really slow growing. Look at this oak that's snapped down here. Still growing fine. Found a lovely little spot here. I'm going to come back here. You got your own bench ready. I'm not the first one to find this, because look, that's been cut off. So's that. Come across a perfect bit of dead birch. I've just done a check. Make sure there's no green in there. And it's good to go. Plenty of wood chopped. So we probably have a fire out here somewhere. And then we're both cooking on our own little wood burning stoves, huh? Right, I've had a little idea. I found a party venue. When I get to 10,000 subs, I'm going to invite, I think it's 60 I'm allowed. And there's a ping pong table, pool, there's a jukebox, there's a big screen, shuffleboard. So what I'm going to do, invite everyone who's helped me along the way, all the channel members, and then I'll have, might be another 10 or 20, do a little prize draw, invite you to that party. Do you want to come to the party, Jamie?
Yeah.
There we go, there's the first man coming. First invite.
Always up for the party.
I don't know if it's going to be a couple of months, it could be a couple of years, I might never get there, right? Well, when I get to 10,000 subs, that is happening. Mark my words. Drying his feet out. The steam coming off my socks, it obviously is drying them out, look. Right, time to start the stove so I can cook my food. Just going to stack this out, and I got fire dragon fuel. Whack that in, should be golden. I can hear it. Can't see it. Time to get the food on. So we've got chicken, Korean inspired barbecue with stir fry and egg noodles. The finest rump steak. Not even just a normal rump steak, it's the finest one.
Finest. Finest price. And you've got tongs. No sizzle.
Nah. Chicken's coming on. Stir fry to come. Here comes the steak. Proper frame grilled, that is. Is it all gonna go in? I don't think so. Rah!
This is the homemade lantern.
I'm gonna have to turn the light off this. Look at this.
Alright.
This is a water bottle.
The head torch.
What's this?
That's throwing some light, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is.
So the food has taken a day and an age. It's getting there slowly. Right, the sauce is going in finally. It's been on for about an hour. think she's done. It's a meal, right? Smashed it. So this is how it looks from inside. We're using the ridge pea just to slot those into, and it ties off to the other side then. So the only thing holding this up really is that bit of paracord. If that gives, the old shelter falls down. Well, as long as you've got that solid, it's fine. Yeah, I really enjoyed waking up as the sun was coming up and just watching those trees. Normally I like to be fully enclosed. There was a difference last night. Enjoyed it. It's under the tarp. Well, semi-tent I suppose it is. I think I did wake up quite a few times. Just my hips were aching a bit last night. A lot of pressure just on one point. I'm normally alright on the cot. I don't know how it's about. Yeah, but I think I was waking up with that, and also because I knew I was just out in the open. You don't know who's watching you out there, you know? Some fox or something. I was just saying I was worried about foxes. Where was my food? Right next to my head. Lucky he didn't sniff that out. I better check to see if Jamie's on fire there. The mist has descended in the valley. Look at that. That's all from his wood burner. Okay, so it does seem to stay upright without the string, just about. Bag has managed to look even bigger today somehow. That's where I was pitched up. It's all gone. There's a few quality walking sticks if anyone wants one. And the fire's gone. This is my dry feet saviour, hopefully, to cross that river. We'll see now. Unless you want to try and go up that way. Right, we might go up the mountain to avoid it. Shout out to these members. Thank you. Catch you again.